Have you ever pondered the possibilities of making money from Paytm? Today, we'll demystify the process and provide a step-by-step guide to unlocking this potential income stream. First things first, we need to understand what Paytm is. Paytm, short for Pay Through Mobile, is an Indian e-commerce payment system and financial technology company. It provides a platform for mobile recharging, adding bill payments, and most importantly, an e-commerce platform. To start earning money from Paytm, you must first have a registered and verified Paytm account. It's a simple process that requires your mobile number and a few personal details. Upon verification, you're ready to embark on your Paytm earning journey. The first method to earn money is through cashback. Paytm offers cashback on various transactions, from recharging your mobile to paying your utility bills. The cashback amount varies depending on the ongoing offers. It's like getting paid for paying your bills. Next, you can earn money through the Paytm Postpaid service. This service allows you to buy now and pay later. You can earn cashback and rewards by using Paytm Postpaid for shopping, paying bills, and more. Another lucrative method is by selling products on Paytm Mall. If you have a business, you can list your products on Paytm Mall and reach millions of customers. Every time a product is sold, you make money. Affiliate marketing is another way to earn money. You can join Paytm's affiliate program and earn commissions by promoting Paytm products on your blog or website. Lastly, you can earn by participating in Paytm games. Paytm offers various games where you can win cash prizes. These games range from simple quizzes to fantasy sports. In summary, there are several ways to earn money from Paytm. You can get cash back on transactions, earn rewards through Paytm Postpaid, sell products on Paytm Mall, earn commissions through affiliate marketing, and win cash prizes by participating in Paytm games. Remember, every rupee counts, and with a bit of effort, Paytm can become a rewarding source of extra income. This step-by-step guide provides a roadmap to earning money from Paytm. It's an opportunity to turn your everyday transactions into a potential income stream. So why wait? Dive in, explore the opportunities, and start earning today.